we gotta fix our hair for the family photo, right? We've got one more item. And when I say fix our hair, in this particular case, I'm not styling your hair with heat, without heat. We're gonna talk about repairing damaged hair, whether it's because you color treated your hair, you have aging hair, winter. I swear when I get out of the shower in winter, my hair dries so fast because my bathroom is so drying. Well, this is from the Jousse collection. It's Jousse Mend Repair. Now, Maria calls it a mask. I'll be honest, I always call it a deep conditioner because it's in my shower and it's the one thing I do not let my daughter use yet. Am I a bad mother? Feel free to judge. But this is Mommy's deep conditioner. She puts way too much stuff on her hair and she's not allowed to use this. It's the good stuff. It keeps my hair looking young. It keeps my hair looking healthy. And I lost my cards, but I know at QVC, we pay $40, but we should be paying $68 today. Free shipping and an $8 easy pay. So Maria, not that our children can't use it, but I do say it's for us grown women because we've been through it, right? Like winter dries our hair. Yes, color. I don't ever want to be a brunette again. Maria knows this. I like my blonde highlights, but color can be damaging. All kinds of things can be damaging. And this truly does repair.
Yeah, this literally, I have to tell you, for years I would try to, I would ask my clients to make sure they were masking in between their treatments. The aging process, color treating, heat styling tools, the sun. So many things cause this extra damage to our hairs, this extra dryness, so that their hair doesn't really show up the way it can. Like in this picture, you're seeing Lori after just one Jousse. Look at the texture of the hair before.
Speechless.
Look at the texture after.
Wow.
If you really want to smooth out that frizz and keep it away and have that shine and gloss. If you're a curly girl and you want those curls hydrated so they stay defined and not frizzy, this is why you're using Mend Mask. Whether you're a curly girl that leaves it curly or a curly girl that's blowing it out, you need the extra hydration. This is Jousse is naturally derived ingredients that we press and juice into this formula. If you would hear the ingredients, salt, palmetto, red clover, willow herb, quinoa, rice, extract, we're talking about ingredients that you hear in skincare, like with Emer, right? These are skincare. I was just, matter of fact, I had just put a little bit on my skin while I was waiting because I know this penetrates into my skin. Like I don't have to worry. It's not, the base is not panthenol ingredients that literally are not going to absorb into our hair and our scalp and do the right thing. So when I would ask my clients to mask, because they knew it was important to bring their hair back to life, they didn't want to do the extra work.
Yes.
So I came up with a mask that all you're going to do is, instead of conditioning one day a week, or if you're shampooing once a week, maybe once a month, you're going to use this instead in the shower. That's it. No other step. No, there is no other step.
So you don't have to sleep with it on your hair because the idea of a hair mask on my pillow sometimes isn't the greatest thought. This is a shower experience. And it's not like, well, now you have to take an hour shower because it has to stay on your hair for an hour. Just keep it. When I juice shampoo first, then I do my Mend Mask, and then I bathe my body, wash my face. I'm telling you way too much. But that way, it's sitting on there for 5, 10, 15 minutes, and then it comes off, and my hair looks so much healthier, Maria.
Right. And what you're seeing, like, you know, if you're someone like Kim that does, you know, naturally curly hair has that type of feel or look to it naturally, but when we want to add those ingredients to make the hair now look like glass and silk, this is what that does. But notice, there's still bounce and body. My clients would also say they didn't want to mask because they have to mask on a day. They're not doing anything because it just made their hair heavy. That's not the case at all.
Yeah.
So if you want to know how to do it, thank you so much. What you're going to do is, I do it in the shower, but I do like to squeeze some of the extra water out. I put in I only use about a nickel size amount. Work it through the hair, but we're gonna also work it right into the scalp.
Okay.
This is a scalp treatment. Don't worry about it. The ingredients are volumizing. They're not ingredients that are gonna weigh it down. Really work it through. Now, you can just finger through it. I like to take my smoothie brush, but look at the difference. Like that is glass. There's the before.
Wow.
Look at the shine, the silkiness. I mean, if you're somebody who's always fighting frizz, I am telling you, the first time you use this, you are going to be so happy. But the real beauty of it is as you continue to use it. Like,
Well, and
you
get
will
two.
see.
So
Yeah.
you've got your backup ready to go. You
Yeah.
pay $40 instead of $68. But there's so many benefits. You know, Maria, I think we have an entire list of all the benefits of using Mend Mask. It's actually a little graphic. It's going to pop up to the left of us. Look, less breakage right away.
67%
less breakage.
less breakage. 109% reduction in frizz. Okay, 109%. When I was in Margaritaville with our mavens, I call them my Margaritaville mavens, I met a lot of women that had retired down there from New York City, from Boston, areas that once they got down south, they were like, what is happening with the frizz? What do I do? Yeah. This is the first thing I had them start doing.
Really?
And I wanted to have Renee here because she's going, yep. Because Renee now has been juicing and masking.
I can tell,
since
Renee.
Since I met her. Can't you
can
tell?
I tell you?
Yeah,
I saw the first difference in the before and after when I met you at Make Me Over, Maria. But I think your hair, the quality of your hair, looks even shinier, healthier today than the first time I met you.
Yeah. I mean, when you look at the before, this is when we met her in November. Is that when that show was?
I can't remember.
Before.
I think so, yeah.
Look at the difference. I mean, we're talking hair now that's like, it
doesn't
really
look like the same head of hair. And yes, Maria cut a few inches off.
Yes,
but the
even
quality
in here,
of the hair is different when you add the mask into your routine.
And what Renee's been saying is that she's gotten more compliments. Didn't you say that to me?
I did.
She's getting compliments on her hair. She says every day, you told me.
Every day?
Every day
that must
somebody
be so
will
annoying.
say something.
I know, I have gray hair. Maybe it's not annoying. The compliments are coming from all kinds. I love it. And can I just, again, compare it from other masks? You don't sleep in it. So if that idea is not something...
It's not muddy.
Yeah, you don't like put your hair in a towel
sometimes
for 4
it smells like mud.
Yes,
and then it's like...
It is your conditioner the day that you use your Mend Mask. I have to leave. I don't want to, but I do get to take an oral supplement to make me look younger. So that's going to be exciting.
I want that too.
I'll get you some.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Ladies, it's always a pleasure. Mwah. Safe trip home too, and I will see you all later. Stay on the phone lines for our today's special value because a huge hit, and now, of course, we're going to lose another color at some point. Emer and Elemis awaiting us with the launch of a lot of new exciting configurations. More Beauty Masterclass when we return.